Does the Bible also talk about the law of cause and effect?
In the Bible, causality is often mentioned. In Lecture 1 of Way, Truth, Life, I've listed plenty of scriptures from the Old Testament about causality. Check it out if you're interested. In the New Testament, Jesus also talked about causality. For the Son of Man is going to come in his Father's glory with his angels, and then he will reward each person according to what he has done. Behold, I am coming soon. My reward is with me, and I will give to everyone according to what he has done. There is a judge for the one who rejects me and does not accept my words. That very word which I spoke will condemn him at the last day. The very word Christ spoke is the law of cause and effect. So what is causality? Bao yin in Chinese. Bao means effect, and yin means the corresponding cause. So Bao yin means the law of cause and effect. Therefore, the Bible does talk about the law of cause and effect. God created the world and endowed it with the law of cause and effect. Without the law of cause and effect, wouldn't the world be a mess? How can it show God's righteousness and justice? All scientific theories are based on the law of cause and effect. The very word Christ spoke is the word mentioned in the opening verse of the Gospel of John. In the beginning was the Word. It refers to all the truth that the returning Christ is going to teach. Christ said, I have much more to say to you, more than you can now bear. It means it cannot be understood. But when He, the Spirit of truth, comes, He will guide you into all truth. He will not speak on His own. He will speak only what He hears, and He will tell you what is yet to come. Where did He hear it? He heard it from the Father. Therefore, the Son and the Holy Spirit are different. The law of cause and effect is part of the truth that the returning Christ is going to teach.